Oh, there is a touch of flower, of hop there, hop flower. That is a nice, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I tell you, that is outstanding. Well, let's see what the taste buds think about that. It has a nice, fresh, grainy flavor. It's a nice, full-bodied beer. It is not cloying. It is just really crisp with a very, although it's got a full body, that hop that just dances along the top there, that is just, it is a fantastic combination. Wow. All right, well, so does Paulaner Münchner Lager meet expectations? Oh, it certainly does. In fact, as I say, it brings back memories, and so I'm going to give it a 4.5. Almost a 5, but it'll be a 4.5. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the old growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.